Hey, this is Tom with Midas, and this one we're going to go into the MediaKit. If you are tier 2 or above, we produce a MediaKit for you every day, and obviously you can decide whether you want the MediaKit or not. If you can go to settings and go to notifications, that will determine whether we create the MediaKit for you. The MediaKit is essentially a 1,000-word blog. So what we do is we search the entire internet for all the top articles on your industry, and then we look at the articles and rank them by engagement and by credibility of or authoritative relevance, let's call it. And then we assimilate the top 5 articles. So here's the 5 articles that we use. And then we write you a 1,000-word blog. And as you can see, we put a quote in the blog from you. And it's based on the keywords that you put in your dossier. And so if you want to copy it and go paste it to your own blog, you can do it as easy as that. You can download it as an HTML, a markdown document, or a PDF. But we don't stop there. We also create a podcast script for you. And if you're tier 3, it's recorded for you in your voice or a voice of your choosing. Then we don't stop there. We also write social media posts for you. And they're all written very professionally. They've got hashtags. You got tips on when to post them, best time to post. So you got LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. So we write you a bunch of posts every day. And we don't stop there either. We also write you some pay-per-click ads as well. So if you want to run some ads for the day that are relevant to your posts and your blogs, you can do that as well. And of course, we don't stop there. We create some AI-generated images for you. And these are saved, of course, in your Midas Drive, and then we give you some coaching tips as well. Now, you also notice some of the settings here. You can go into content customization, and you can determine the voice you want the articles to be written. You want to be written like Oral Roberts or Ryan Holiday or Simon Sinek. Just click one of these people, and the articles will be written in that tone or style. You also can dictate your own writing style if you'd like to. You can add additional keywords that you want it to search for. Maybe you want to change the theme for a month and focus on something else. You can put in call to action text at the bottom of your blog. It'll put a call to action button with the CTA text, call to action, and of course whatever link you want it to go to. If you want it to link to your webinar or your ebook or your landing page, you can do that. We put in our blog template, if you're using our blog, we put these in automatically, so you don't necessarily have to do that. And then here's, of course, the articles we use to write your article. You can also have this auto-posted to your own blog as well. While I'm on this, I do want to bring up settings and then go to Content Hub. This one is really interrelated with the MediaKit. This is where you can control, video quality if you're creating videos with Midas Chat. Here's the tone and style. Here's the keyword section, the call to action, so you can put in that. But here, this is important right here. If you want these blogs published to your own blog, you can just select, which platform you have. If it's custom, do that. Put in your API URL and your API key. If you have a blog, you know what those are. And the same goes for the podcasting. If you want to list it on your own podcast, you can select the carrier that you're with, and we will submit it to both your blog and your podcast in draft format. You'll have to publish it yourself. Then, as far as social media preferences, if you're posting your blogs automatically on Facebook every morning with our 3 posts a day automation, you can generate hashtags for it. Our blogs already have them, and our posts already have them, so you don't really need to worry about that. And then if you want your podcast recorded, your script in a male or female voice, this is where you can control that. Or if you get your own clone on your voice, you can do your murph.ai clone and put in your voice ID right here, and then of course put your Murph API key here, and the podcast will be recorded in your voice. Obviously, the blog can be auto-posted. The posts can be auto-posted using our social posting page, which I'm going to share in another video. And then what I'll do is I'll show you where you can find your blog. Just go into affiliate. To publish blogs on one of our blogs, you do have to do KYC. You do have to complete the Stripe Connect process because we want to know who's publishing what. And so you go to affiliate links right here once you have that done, and you can scroll down the page and you will find your Midas Report blog and podcast. So we publish the blog, but we put a podcast player at the top of the article so they can either listen to the podcast or they can read the blog. This is what your blog looks like. It of course has your Midas card on it. It has the professional organizations on it if you're running any Midas Net organizations. And then here's the actual article that came from the MediaKit. You can click on it and you can see it's formatted and has the FBA ads next to it if you have fulfilled by Amazon ads, and then has ads at the bottom. If you have that turned on, I just have it turned on for demo purposes. And you can see that the articles that are published, they already have the call to action links for your AI readiness survey. It has links to your free ebook. So we've got several call to action links at the bottom. Get your business started with a touch of gold with Midas. Start free goes to your homepage. There's share buttons and things like that. So this is fully automatic. Now on the company blog, we will also publish the title and image of your blog, the by name, and then also a description of your blog. And what these do is these actually link to your blog. And we have over 5,000 articles about AI on this blog, and it's all the SEO and GEO is done very well. So when the search engines pick it up and the LLMs pick it up, not only are they going to pick up these descriptions, but they're going to see that there's a link to an article that goes to your blog as well. So this is Tom with Midas. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have a great day.